Giant, awe-inspiring, great. The moment we see Pyramids of Egypt, we can't hold back our admiration for the architects who built these marvels. They are testimony to the imagination and precise execution of humans. For centuries, they were the tallest structures on the planet. The Pyramids of Giza, built over 4,000 years ago, still stand atop a sandy landscape. We often wonder how could a civilization that lacked bulldozers and forklifts build such massive structures? And why were they built in the first place? Pyramids were built for religious purposes. The Egyptians were one of the first civilizations to believe in an afterlife. They believed that a second self called the Ka lived within every human being. When the physical body expired, the Ka enjoyed eternal life. Pyramids were simply grand tombs of powerful pharaohs. But do pyramids only have historical significance? No. They are as important from the geometrical point of view. Geometrically, pyramids are polyhedrons that are formed by connecting the vertices of a polygon to a centric point known as the apex. The most common form of a pyramid is the pyramid with 4 triangular sides and 1 square base. However, there are different types of pyramids largely associated with the change in the shape of its base. Let's take a close look at the square pyramid. This structure can be seen in the Pyramids of Egypt. It has 5 faces, 5 vertices and 8 edges.
Triangular pyramid. Pentagonal pyramid.
There are many more pyramidal shapes. Discover them at Embibe.com.